Alright guys, we have successfully made it on to day 7 of road trip 2016, and now we are at our primary destination of the day, which is Zion National Park. So let's go see what we can find in Zion. So it turns out that the scenic drive is closed to normal traffic, everybody except for shuttles on the on-season from spring to fall. And so we got to the end of where cars were allowed, and normally there's a split off that goes through a tunnel or two for other cool places to look at, but because of a rock slide that just happened, that's completely closed off. So we got to the end of where cars are allowed. It wasn't very exciting. Turned around, went back to the parking lot, and now every time we want to look at something, we get off the shuttle and then get back on. But because it's so crowded, every shuttle is going to be fairly full. We'll just keep hopping on and off and go see what we can find. And here's another shuttle. Shade. Oh, shade is wonderful. It's so hot. Holy cow.
We are at Upper Emerald Pool.
So we're all done with Zion National Park now, and the original plan was just to kind of hang out, maybe do some mountain biking and
It's too hot.
cruise around, but it's 100 degrees in the desert right
90.
now. 98 degrees in the desert right now. So mountain biking seemed like kind of a bad idea, so what are we doing instead, Sarah?
Helicopter!
We're gonna go on a helicopter adventure. It's just a short, I think 15-mile little tour to see these canyons and stuff from the air. So it should be cool. This is both of our first time ever riding on a helicopter, so we're excited. Both of our first time.
Oh yeah, it's a good thing I'm in the back of the outfit.
Hey. What'd you think, Sarah?
Awesome.
That was beautiful. An excellent first helicopter riding experience. We have reached the end of day 7 and have finally decided to recharge all of our batteries and our mental state. We have officially reached the capacity of our Walmart parking lot campouts and decided to get a hotel room. So this is, what was it, Economy Inn and Suites in St. George, Utah, I believe. And yep, just staying here for a night and then moving on. I'll probably do some hang gliding tomorrow and then start making our way down to, the Wave. We're going to the Wave National Park, maybe a national park, I don't actually know. And then Grand Canyon after that, I believe. They didn't give us an ice bucket in our room, so I'm reappropriating one of my GoPro cases. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of the Matt Phillips Adventure Vlog. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below to let me know. And if you want to be notified next time I go on an adventure, make sure you click subscribe down in the bottom right corner or down below this video. If you have any comments, ideas, suggestions, anything like that, make sure you leave it down in the comments. And if you want to connect with me on any of the social networks, I'll put a row of buttons across the top for you to click on and down in the description. So find me on one of those and let me know what you thought. Thanks again guys, have a good one.